Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and installing this 3.5 millimeter microphone adapter for the GoPro Hero 9 and 10. Alright, so right here we have the Pro 3.5 millimeter microphone adapter. This works on the GoPro 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So if you're like myself, want to use this to set up some podcasts or do live streaming, and you want to use your own microphone instead of the microphone that's on the GoHero because they don't sound as good, this is what you will need. So this here adapter is a great adapter to have to use any of your microphones. I do have my own microphone, and my microphone is the Hollyland Lark, which is like the news reporter ones. So let's go ahead and dive into the box. So with this adapter, it enables high quality audio captured when using a pro level microphone, a USB powered and data extensions up to 90 degrees with a connector. It has a wide range of an external 3.5 millimeter mics. So you have the user manual inside, and here is the adapter itself. So it enables stereo mics and line inputs for external audio sources like a audio recorder, mixer, up to 106 decibel stereo analog to digital converter. So this is where you will connect to your device, which is your microphone. And then this part right here will connect to your GoPro Hero. So right here is my GoPro Hero 9. I did get the 9. So now if you are using this as a blog, you can purchase the case itself, which actually removes the door, so you can plug it in here, which I did purchase as a separate unit. So right now I'm just going to test this right here like this so I can show you. Just plug it in right here at the bottom. And this part right here, you will plug your microphone directly into the 3.5 millimeter. Alright, so now I'm going to go get my microphone. So this is my Hollyland Lark. So this is the receiver, and then it comes with two portable microphones. So you can connect this to your shirt, or you can use the provided cable. I decided not to purchase another one since I've already purchased this one, and I really like this microphone and it sounds really fantastic. So what you will do is you'll connect this one into the receiver. The receiver sends a signal to the actual different part, so it's wireless. So you'll take your 3.5 millimeter jack, install it into the receiver, into the adapter. So I'm just going to put it right in here, install it into the adapter, making sure that the receiver is connected and charged. So now once it's connected, your microphone will work. So you can use it with the adapter with the wire right here, or you can just take this off. I prefer it like this because it's closer to your mouth versus the other piece. So whenever you talk, it sounds very clear. So to test it, I'm going to play the video, and then we can hear the audio.
So the receiver is on 10. Now let's see how this is very loud.
So now that's what the microphone sounds like in the speakers. It is super loud. Once you connect it to computer, you can hear how clear it is. So this is your adapter at the bottom. You have two different ports. You have your 3.5 millimeter jack. It is great for the 8, 7, 6, 5, and it also works on the 9 and the 10. So I have the GoPro Hero 9. I would definitely recommend this one, especially if you want to use this as a vlogging camera or you want to use it when you're doing podcasts. This is my receiver. I'm using the Hollyland Lark. I love this because it is a wireless. The one I purchased here actually comes with two extended microphones. You can purchase it in the one device itself. I do get the little microphone that goes inside the wireless one. So if you have this set up, the only thing that you need to connect to the adapter is the receiver itself. Now, if you just have a plug-in microphone with a 3.5mm jack, you would just take that piece and you would connect it to the adapter. So it would just go on the bottom. But I prefer this one because this one's a super nice microphone, and this is all you need is just the adapter to run to your GoPro Hero 9, and it works as well as the GoPro Hero 10 and the earlier versions. So if you're interested in an adapter that you can connect an external microphone to your GoPro Hero, I would definitely recommend this one. Go ahead and check it out. It is a fantastic adapter.